Greetings. Just back to work on my little dungeon crawling game. Just a moment. Testing. Okay. Right, just working on my little dungeon crawling game. Previously, I had the collision detection done, more or less done. There's still stuff to be improved upon, but I will work on that in time. Right. So now, it used to be that I have some issues with multiple objects colliding at the same time. So there will be a lot of jittery movement, but at the moment that has been fixed by simply doing the collision detection over and over until there is no more collision. Until there's no more collision. But that's not a 100% safe solution because there may be scenarios where a collision couldn't be resolved, right? Like if I were to pack a lot of objects inside a very tight space, then it's entirely possible that I couldn't resolve the collision. So that I have yet to fix, but I'll work on that in time. At the moment, I'm thinking of working on making the hitboxes of entities, right? I'm trying to make them be data driven, and I'm hoping to build an editor for the hitboxes. So what I mean is something like this. Show, let's see, hitbox. So these are the hitboxes. I want to offer a way to I want to offer the user, right, that's basically myself, a way to more easily define the size of the hitboxes without hard coding it. So that'll be what I'm going to do. I did not plan any of this beforehand, so I'll be taking a while to think about how I should approach this problem. I'm just looking at some of my data files, right? So I have two files, one for the tileset rules and the other for the attack sequences. So this is the tileset rule. I have not looked at this in a while. This is for the attack sequences. It describes how the player is going to attack, right? The animation to use, right? So from 0 to 2, from 01 to 02 to 03. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna think about how to write one just for the hitboxes. So if I were to look here, I can see that the hitboxes is defined here, basically the origin, which is the I would say the center point, right, of the hitbox, as well as the extent, which is the displacement vector from that center point. So let me think. So what space is this defined in? Well, it's defined, if I recall correctly, it's been a while. This is defined with respect to the sprite's origin, or rather the object's origin, right? The object's origin. Okay, there we go. So I need the origin and the extend. Origin and extend. Okay. Let me just save the file first. Hurt boxes. Oh crap! Damn, forgot to save the. Forgot to define the file extension. Can I do it here? Nope. That's fine. Let me just change it in the Explorer itself. Okay. Nope. Okay, there we go. That's my file. I should change all of this data. Let me think. I need two types of data, right? And they are both array. Okay, an array. A 1D array for each. Sure. Just a moment. Right. So it should be something like opod, right? Opod with origin and extend. Yeah. Is it possible to write commands in JSON? Not sure. Just a moment. JSON does not support comments. Okay. Well, that's fine. Does not matter. Origin, extend. So this should be something like specified here, right? 0. I guess I will not have it. Hello, hi Chris. Hi. Oh, thanks for the red Vagabond dog. Hello, hello. Hello, Code of You. Hi. I'm just working on the more boring stuff, right? Like trying to make my some of my data be data driven. Let me show you what I have at the moment. It's unfortunate that after a few weeks I still don't have gameplay, but I'm working on like stuff like collision and whatnot now. So quite recently I added the collision between entities, so I can in fact push the pods around, and if need be I can change the mass. So I wanted to make sure that my physics is done properly. So say for instance I want to change the mass of the pods to much higher, like 100 units. Then yeah, I'll be unable to push them. But if I were to make them like super light, let's see, like maybe at 0.1, then I can basically push my way through the pods. So it's just some of the more like basic features that I need for the gameplay. There we go. So yeah, after I made, now I'm trying to improve upon the game by not hard coding so much of my data. So I'm trying to like shift some of the data to a text file, a JSON file, and after that, hopefully I'll be able to like add an enemy, right, and test out the gameplay. Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, there's a lot that I want to do, but I think I should like after I'm done with this, I should probably work on an enemy, right? Test out the combat, make sure it feels fluid, and yeah, eventually I want the character to be able to hold like different swords, different weapon types. Yeah, and with different weapon types there will be different attack animations. So there's a lot that I want to do, but it will take some time. Okay, let's see. So this is probably should be minus 9. Just do this first. The extent defines the size of the hurt box. I left it at 8, so I will keep it that way. Okay. I'll be honest, passing data files is something that I'm not very comfortable with. I constantly forgot how to do that. Let's see. There you go. Let's see. Left some code in here for reference. Oh look, the ID is messed up. What the heck? It's not. It's something is weird with the display. Hang on, let me close this. Wait, is Game Maker glitching out on me? Okay, it's okay now. Let's see. There you go. I need to first open the file and okay. Copy everything into a string and then decode it. Got it. So it's just this part here. Oh, crap. Wait, how should I handle this? Where do I store my data? Let me think. Okay. So here are all my persistent managers, but I don't really like that I have an individual object, right, for each of these managers. I think in the future I would want to have them all be written as a struct, and then I initialize them in I suppose a persistent container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I need somewhere to store my hurt box information. Or let me think. I can do it inside my game room manager as well. There we go. The collision matrix defines which pair of objects can collide with each other. Right, okay. But I don't really have a lot of objects to test this out yet. Let me just put this in here. Let me work it out. So what I'm doing here is I mean for this game I want it to be a a dungeon crawler with a beat 'em up inspired combat system. At the moment, it's really early in development. There is no gameplay, but I hope that in time, it will start to look like it will start to look fun. Hopefully. Okay, let's see what is my file. Hurtboxes.json. Okay. This thing. I would need to clean up this as well. Game room manager. I need my hurtbox data, for the lack of a better term. I need to clean up this data as well. So this would be a map, if I'm not wrong. Oops. Let me look up some stuff. Okay. Let me just clear this. DS map. Destroy. Hopefully this would work correctly. Let me check if I clean up the memory for the towel. Okay. Cool. Cool. Let me see, how do I address my data? Okay, maybe I don't want to use it like that. Just one moment. Let's see. Array of objects. How about this? Right, I feel like I need to change this. Hang on. Just a moment. Would this work properly? This work properly. Let's see. keep forgetting how to work with this. Okay. Wait a second, what is this file again? Game room manager. Nothing. Alright, I get the all it returns is the ID of the map. That's not good. Just a moment. That's okay. Can I do this? Hang on. Unable to find instance for object index 21. Unable to... Right. Wait, how do I work with this again? Unable to find instance for object index 21. Is it because this is also another map? Maybe I should check the documentation. One moment. JSON decode. Let me... Okay. 9. Oh wait, I think I got it. Okay. So this would be the... This would be the array, right? This would be the... Yes. Wait, no. 9. Okay. Then what happens if I do this? 0. Zero should give me 0, right? Yes. And if I change this to 1, it should give me minus 9. So there is a map in the map, at least in the map I wonder if I need to clean them up like individually. Yeah, it's minus 9. Or would a single line like this suffice? So I should probably check if this is enough for the allocation of memory. Yeah, I'll have to remind myself of this to do. Otherwise, I'll be dealing with memory leaks. Okay. Yep. Okay. Game room manager. Okay. Let me just paste this here as a comment so I don't forget what they are. Then there's the extend. Okay. Got it. Is there a way to change the key though? Let me see. DS map. Probably not, right? I have to reinsert the thing. Okay. If I can, I would like to avoid using a string as a key. Or maybe that's fine. Doesn't matter, right? Or maybe it matters a bit, but it depends on the scope of my project. Let's see. No, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine, I'll do it the easy way first. What I need now is this. Need to somehow change this. Probably write a script for it. Okay. Calculate. No, wait, I don't have to do that. Hang on. I don't have to do that. Yeah, I shouldn't have to do that. Okay, so this defines the hurt box of the pod. But to be honest, I do not need every single instance to store this, right? Yeah, I shouldn't need to have that. Okay, I might have to refactor a little bit. Hurt box. Let's see. Here, base entity, got it. Whew, okay. Okay, it's fine. They're probably all just IDs, right? So, what I can do is... No, wait. Okay, I need to think a bit. Hurt box. Hurt box. New hurt box. Where? Here. Okay, got it. Yes, I don't need so many new hurt box instances. So let's go back to game room manager. Okay. Oops. No, no. Maybe Jason is not the best name for it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, I need to iterate through the map, so I think there is a find first, right? Yes. Find first. Hey, hi. Hello. How's your day? Terrible. Oh no. Do tell. What happened? You may have to scrap your project. You mean the pet sim, or is it just the mini game portion? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Let's take a look. Hey, look at that. Looks lovely. Yeah, that looks lovely. That's nice. So I imagine this is your new focus now. So what I'm doing now is if you missed it, I'm just trying to read my hitboxes, or rather my hurt boxes information from a text file rather than hard coding it. Yeah, it's to ensure that I mean, it's just to make my life easier in the long run, right? Because we know how painful it can be, like how hard it can be, how hard the project can get, right, to maintain, you know, all of the code if we don't separate our data from the code. Yeah. But it was always meant for the pet sim. Oh, reason why you might have to scrap it is because you kept putting the main gameplay loop to a side for later. It's pretty much later and is not even. I see. You know, I can relate. I can relate. I mean, I'm still not working on my gameplay as well. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it can be a bit hard to prioritize, right, our task. What is a 444 rule? I'm not aware of that saying. 44. 4 hours to get the main gameplay loop down, 44 hours to polish. Oh, yeah. That's a good rule, right? That's a good rule. I had this really nasty habit of I had it. I think I would like to think I'm better now, but it used to be that I would spend too much time polishing before I have a decent gameplay loop. So what happens is I spend a long time polishing and then I realize the gameplay is not fun and I end up scrapping all that work. Yup. Not very efficient. Something to watch for later. Oh. What is this? Rami is oh, cool. Okay, I'll note it down. Rami Ismail, 1/2 of Lambia. Watch later. That's a nice one. Thanks for the share. Yeah, Nuclear Throne is great, man. Let's see, what did I say I want to do here? Still have the knowledge. So what's next for you though? What do you aim to do next? You're not 100% sure? Oh, no worries, it will come to you. Yeah, I'm sure the idea will come to you soon. Or in time. Loading my hurt boxes. Blah blah blah. I'm going to use object ID as the key. Try not to use strings. What do I write in here? Right. supposed to be like that. New hurt box. There we go. You think you like to have a chat with some friends and see what they think, but you've got other project ideas already, as I really have like 1 million ideas. Yeah. Just going to take a little time and then see what's the best option. Right. Yeah. Yeah. No worries, man. No worries. No, I love to discuss stuff like this. No, sometimes when I work on the bigger project, I do find that oh no, it's taking so long, and it's really hard to keep motivated. I feel, which is why sometimes I have like a really small side project that I'm confident that I can finish within a reasonable amount of time. Hey, I need to pass an ID in here. Oh no. Does it mean that I need to re-implement this? Let me see. Do I even need to know the owner? Yes, I do. Oh dear. Oh dear. Let me think. Refactor the one. Okay. So prior to using the herb box, I need to update the owner. Or I don't do that. Just do this owner. Owner of hitbox, I suppose. Hurtbox. Hitbox. Owner of hurtbox. Okay. 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 I need to adjust my code a bit, so this part I need it. Load file or read file. Make hurt boxes based on loaded data. If you have any new ideas, I would love to know about it. Game Maker, looking in the Game Maker Discord. Ooh. Or the official Game Maker Discord server. Okay. This one seems fine. Hang on. Uh-huh. Ah, right. Is this enough to deallocate memory? And then I need to define the attributes. Let's see. Hurt boxes has what? Origin and extend. There you go. Origin and extend. Key origin. What you do know is that you're not going to do an RPG. Maybe in the future, but you want a smaller scope for now. Yeah! A smaller scope sounds like a good idea. Hey ya, what's up? What's up? Hiya. I'm a starving game developer. I have no money to hire. Thanks for asking though. Like I don't I don't have the budget to hire at the moment.
I've never heard such a deafening silence.
Relaxing and playing Final Fantasy 14. Nice.
Would be so in vain.
Nice.
And the world
Getting back into game dev on Monday. Ooh, I look forward to it.
around your pretty face.
Nice.
Nobody should. It should. Yes, it should. They say the truth hurts, but you can't just
No idea what you're going to be doing. Ah, yeah, I mean, I guess we'll have to wing it. I wing it all the time. 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, what's next? Next is extend. Extend. Definitely going to do the 444 though. Yeah, that's nice. Sounds like a good idea. Is this fine? I hope so. Might have broken some stuff refactoring this. So I have to go to all the places where I use the herb boxes. Let's see. How did I make use of the herb boxes? Let's see all the places where I call this function. Game room manager, there you go. Here. Get min point as well. Get min point. Is it not getting caught? Oh, okay, I see. It's just caught here. Cool. So that means. Wait, where's my min point? Here. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Hurt box. Box.draw. I need to pass in the ID of the object. Okay. Let me just go here. Base item. Where's my base item? Yep, not gonna do this anymore. Hang on. Not gonna do this anymore. Yep, that's what's needed to be done now. Hurt box equals game room manager. Perhaps not the most ideal way of doing things. So introducing a dependency on the game room manager. What ideas? Let's see. Ideas. You mean like a small game idea? Sometimes I would look at really old games, like maybe on maybe on the old school mobile phone, right, the Nokia phones and whatnot, or maybe on the Game Boy. Right, I'll think about how to remake them. How about an MMORPG bullet hell crafting FPS fighting game? Sure. Yeah, that's one way to never finish a project. What's my opinion on turn-based games? That there are so many types of turn-based games though. Which one might you be referring to? What? Why did it crash here? Let me load up the debugger. Okay, more turn-based JRPG type games. Oh, I suppose they are fine. Personally, they are not as a gamer. They are not. I feel like they are not for me. I prefer non-turn-based combat. Real-time combat is something that I enjoy a lot more. I'm personally also not the big fan of random encounters. Yeah, but that's just me. Argument 0 is not an array. Oh yes, it's not an array, it's a list. Goodness, I forgot. That said, I enjoyed Xenoblade Chronicles 2. I thought that it's pretty okay, pretty decent. Oh yes, it looks like the collision is still working. Looks like the hitboxes are working. Show hitbox. Okay, so why don't I try changing the text file? I change it to 0. Okay, I restart the game. Okay, to reload the file basically. And let's check the hitbox now. It didn't change. What? Could it be that the file is cached? What? Let me check. Just trying to think what the main type you can make. All I can think of currently is RPG and platformer. There's the more strategic games. I suppose tower defense is one. Different genres, eh? tower defense would be something a little bit more casual, maybe. Platformer, RPG, Tactics, Fire Emblem. How about a beat 'em up? A beat 'em up. Now I'm working on the beat 'em up. Eh, they are not. It's not data driven. Why? Why? Oh wait, it is. It's been changed. But oh wait, no. My bad. These are hitboxes for the. These are hurtboxes for the hitbox. What am I doing? Okay. Do I have to? Do I have to close the program and recompile it though? So I suppose file has been loaded into memory and no, I don't know. Let me think. Close, open, close. How about high score arcade style game? High score arcade style game could work too. No. Tower defense could be a good one because you really love this style of games. Cool. You'll have to make it more like Dungeon Defenders or Gears of War or something, where it's more like go kill stuff and defend this designated area rather than the ones where you put towers down. Right. Yeah, I'm personally not a big fan of the more traditional tower defense, where you kind of place your towers and then just wait for things to happen. Yeah, which is why when we developed Space Jack, we wanted to make it more action oriented. So we call it an action tower defense. What am I doing? Let me check. Show hitbox. Okay, and then if I were to change this to like what, -20, I save it. Ideally I want it to reload the file, but I'm not sure if it's doing that. Yeah, it's not. Gosh, why? And that's exactly why you need to kind of scrap this game, because that's what the combat was. You tell your pet to do stuff, it might listen, but it's mainly the player watching the pet fight for them. Ah, right. One moment. Let me drink. What should I do? It kind of frustrates me that that restarting the game doesn't reload this file for some reason. Why? Why would they do that? Or is it me? Did I make a mistake somewhere? Main idea for it was based off of nostalgia. Ah. Right. Back when you were playing it on the PlayStation? Origin, extend. This seems fine. Right. Okay, at the very least, this is reading from a file now. I'll have to start defining the hurt boxes for the players as well. You enjoyed the game, but they are very so like kind of mediocre, is that it? Well, I have a soft spot for some pretty terrible game as well. My very first handheld console was a Pocket Game Boy, and I was a kid then, right? I do not know like what kind of games are good, what's bad. So I went for the only title that I've heard of. And back then there was a Game Boy game, Game Boy game that is based off of the Men in Black movie and the animated series. Yeah. So my first ever Game Boy game that I owned was Men in Black, and it's a terrible game. But I have a soft spot for it. You think they are cool and all, but they are not super popular for a reason, right? So they are flawed games, flawed but cool, I suppose. Oh wait, I forgot to check the hitbox. Tower defense could be cool. Yeah! Look forward to seeing your take on it. Yeah, it's all up to you. Only you know what you want to do. Okay, show hitbox please. Yeah, looks about right. Kinda better. Whee. Oh gosh, it's already 1 AM. What the heck? Where did the time go? Where did the time go? You want it to be a little procedural, not like levels made from code, but levels chosen from a list of pre-made levels type of thing. Oh, that would be cool. That would be cool. So kind of like how Splunky did its level design. Could it be? Yeah, in fact for this project that I'm working on, I do want the levels to be proc gen as well. So at some point I will have to make like design multiple arenas, and then during generation I will be randomly picking from the level pool. Yeah, but that's still some time away. Splunky Enter the Gungeon, yeah. Nuclear Throne. Scope too big. Ah. You have to think on it? Yeah. Yeah, no rush, right? No need to rush to a decision. Okay, so now that I'm done with these, that means I should define one for the player as well. Is it called O player? I forgot. Let me check. O player. Yes. O player. Could this be enough? Let's check. I do want my hurt box to be significantly slower for the player. Significantly smaller. Let's run it. Oh no! Crash. What? Data structure with index does not wait, what? What? Oh wait, this poop. Poop, I get it now. Poop. That is why I have this thing called data up there. Yeah, my goodness. What should I do now? Let me think. How about this? But that means I need to change quite a bit. So I need to change the way I'm addressing my data. here. So it will be, oh my, it will be damn it. Okay, need to change it. Capital DA. Why did I put capital? Okay, sure. Capital list size hang on. Let me increase the volume of the music. Da, 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 da. Take this out. No, I still need this. I just need to change this slightly. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, like that. Okay. Hope this works. Gosh, how do I get this? This one. There we go. No need for this anymore. Like that. Would this even work? It would appear that it's working. Okay, good. Why did I refactor that again? Let me see. Right, so that I can also test the player's hurtbox, I mean. So base entity. Oof, feeling a little woozy already. Let's see. Hurtbox. Hurtbox A.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached, and that's okay.
So what I need is the same one as in the pod, which is this line, this single line. I'll just do it here, and then I can test it with the debug commands. Yeah, now the players have a hurtbox too, but oh, it's kind of small. I guess it's fine. Smaller hurtbox for the player is a good thing. I'm curious what happens if I were to shift the origin along the x-axis. What will happen then? Did I write any code to handle the flipping, right, of the character? Let me try. So if I do show hitbox or hurtbox, okay. Oh no, it does not. I did not flip it. Okay, maybe I should flip it. Oh, okay, maybe not now. Maybe not now. Alright, let's keep this at 0. It's either that or I also define the hurtbox in the sequences, but I think that's a bit overkill. Okay, so at least the player itself has hurtbox now. That's a good start. What should I do next? I said I wanted a editor for the hurtbox. An editor for the hurtbox. I have to think about it. If I need to make an editor for the hurtbox, I need a way to, aside from loading hurtboxes, I need to write to hurtboxes, right? Write to file basically. So that would be the reverse of what I'm doing here. How do I do that actually? Hang on, I'm sure I've done it in the code here somewhere. Let me see. Okay. Let me check how to encode. There we go. Time to make changes. Actually, let me check the menu again. What do I think of local multiplayer games on PC? Oh, I think they are cool. Local multiplayer games, yeah, I think they are cool. I'm just not sure if there is. I mean, I'm just not sure how big the market is for local multiplayer games. But with the Steam Remote Play, yeah, maybe it's worth. Maybe it's more worth to do a local multiplayer games now. Steam Remote Together, right? That's what it's called, right? Remote Together. Yeah, I've actually tried it with my friend. We played this game called Overwhelm. It's an action game, right? We played it over the. We played it. It's how do I put it? The game does not have online multiplayer implemented, so it makes use of remote play together. And I suppose it's decent. Like the performance is decent. The syncing and everything seems to be okay, but you can definitely feel the latency. Yeah, you can feel it, and that in a heavily action-packed game that may or may not affect your enjoyment of the game. So I feel like the remote play thing definitely is going to be a big plus for turn-based games, I suppose. Turn-based multiplayer games. Like maybe Worms, right? Games like Worms. Games like Worms would benefit from that. You're thinking to have different classes like Borderlands or Dungeon Defenders and stuff with different abilities and whatnot. Ooh. Okay, local multi. Wait, what kind of a genre would it be? Like shooter? 4 max, nothing too crazy. Yeah. Good idea. Oh gosh, I think I need coffee, man. Hang on, drink water again. Action tower defense? Awesome. Jason and code. What if I encode? What if I encode the string I have? Let me check. What would happen? Wait, encode should already return the string, so show debug message. I want to see the content. Okay, it did not encode properly. It did not encode properly because it doesn't know how to encode her box. Okay. Sync. something like this in a 2E setting. Let me check. Ooh, look at that. Dungeon defenders. Ah, right, right. It's a very colorful game, eh? That's cool. And you intend to support up to 4 players. Gosh, I'm starting to do things very slowly now. Kinda tired. Potentially no idea if you're going to go ahead with this specific idea. Right, you still have time. You're going to resume game dev on Monday, right? So you still have about more than 1 day. Okay, I am going to just do the writing to file manually. Forget about the code. Wait, let me see. Okay, I'll just do it the silly way. DS map create. Right. You don't like taking breaks? Sometimes breaks is taking a break is healthy. Right. Key equals to DS map. Find first. Put the map in there. Right, being in the flow of coding. Right. I think I'll code for a little bit more and I'll have to log off. I'm for some reason I'm like super tired now. Okay. Let's see. Key. Find next. Key goes to. Hopefully next time you'll have more of a solid idea. I'm sure you will. And I look forward to it. mark as list. Do I have to do something like that? Mark as list so that it will decode. It will encode properly, I think. Let me check. Mark as list. Mark as list. Within the previously created DS list as holding another DS list. No, that's not what I want. Oh, DS map. Mark as list. Oh no, it's lagging. Okay. DS map mark as list. Right? No? Mark as map, mark as list. There we go. Oh, okay, so I only need to apply this for list. Got it. I think. So this should be data. Okay. How does it look again? And then I have a map inside each slot. Aha. A map in each slot. A map in each slot. Mark as map, I think. Could be wrong. ID here, position, position. Ah, got it. Wait, not really. Let me think. Zero, one. Okay. Okay. So this should be I. For encoding purpose. Map data to the tower defense ideas but with guns. What do you mean? How would that work? This one is wrong. This one is wrong. This part here is wrong. Imagine something like Nuclear Throne, but with guns. But Nuclear Throne has guns. You mean even more guns? Or is it something other than Nuclear Throne? Oh, something at all. Something at Nuclear Throne, but it's a tower defense. Right. Oh, that would be cool. That would be cool. So it's a fast-paced tower defense then. Size, DS map size. Oh gosh, my brain is not working. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, I think I made a mistake. DS map. Find first. Soon, I want to finish this last function. I was expecting to suddenly feel so tired. Oh no, is this old age? Oh no! Let's see. Okay, I create a map because I want to store this, oops. I want to store this, and this. Okay. Blah blah blah. How do I object underscore get name like that? Okay. Oh no, it's a DS list. So many things. Extend. I should probably not writing like I shouldn't be writing like this, I think. Constantly dereferencing over and over. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I can fix this next time. Like that. Like that. Data map. Data map, and then this is where I check my hurtbox class. Hurtbox. Hurtbox has origin, accent, and visible. Okay. Probably something broken somewhere. Okay. 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 Show debug message. Encode. JSON encode. I will pass in this map, this temporary map. Let's see what happens. Ah, crap. Oops. Wrong argument in find next because I am missing the key argument. Oh yeah, I have yet to call this function. Just for fun, I will write back to a file immediately after. Let's see what happens here. No, wait, not like that. No. it will be here. Game room manager. Yeah, let's just do it here. Data structure with index does not exist. What? Why does it not exist? What if I remove this? Data 9.0. That's wrong. Let me see. I'll try to think. If nothing comes to mind, I think I'll just rest and continue this at a later date, maybe tomorrow. Maybe. So it's getting printed out as an ID, which is wrong. Ah, I get it. There you go. So hopefully this will make the encoding work properly. No, it's not working. This value that is printed out is not correct. Well, I my brain is not thinking anymore. So I think I'll just wrap it up. For the night. Let me just do a quick recap. Well, yeah, I think I better do a quick recap before I start talking gibberish. Anyways, what did I do earlier? Let me see. What I did? Yes. Well, the collision has already been done. So when I started the stream, right, what I wanted to do is I wanted to make the hitboxes, which is this. I want to make the hurt boxes. I want to make the hurt boxes be data driven. So by that I mean I want them to read the information from an external file, and then using that data, right, I would then define the hurt box for each entity. So that's what I did. So I have a text file here that defines the hurt boxes. The origin is defined relative to the object's own space. So this -8 just means that starting from the item's origin, which in my game, right, tends to be the feet or the base of the object. Right, starting from there, I shift upwards by 8 pixels. So that would be the center of the hurt box, followed by the extent, which is a vector, a displacement vector, right, from the origin that defines the both extreme points of the hitbox itself. yeah, so I did that and it works, right? So oops, wrong file. I did that and it works. I managed to construct my hurt boxes from a file, and that's about it. My next step would be to make an editor that allows people to uh, adjust the size of the hurt boxes, right, uh, without hard coding any data. Yeah, and that's it. I will call it a night here. Thanks so much, Calazor. Thanks for hanging around. Yeah, I will continue and work. I will continue to work on this pretty soon. Yeah. Okay. Good night. See ya.